Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix add yours template option not showing. For example, if you click on Instagram and you try to upload a story, as you can see I have recently recorded a video and tried to upload on a story, and here comes a new feature of Instagram in which it is mentioned add your templates, which means you can use this template to start a trend on Instagram so that you can get followers on Instagram very quickly. So basically it is a new feature which you can add template of your story or video on Instagram. If people share on Instagram, then it will be a trend and your Instagram will have a boost. So if you do not get this kind of feature, so how you can get that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to simply press and hold the Instagram app, and if you are using Android, iPhone or iOS device, what you have to do, you have to simply go to iPhone storage and you have to simply offload the app. And if you are using Android device, first of all you have to simply force stop the app, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on clear cache and storage. And after that what you have to do next is you have to simply open the Play Store here, and here you have to simply search for Instagram. And after that you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. And if it is already showing an update, which means you have already installed an updated version. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the app. And after that you have to check whether you got that feature or not. So how you can check that? You have to simply upload a video on Instagram. After that you have to simply click on that sticker, and in this way you can simply get that feature. And if you still don't get that feature, then what you have to do, you have to simply report this to Instagram team so that they can help you in a better way. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply open Instagram here, and after that you have to simply go back. And after going back, what you have to do, you have to simply click on Bitmoji profile. Here you have to click on three lines, you have to click on settings and privacy, and you have to simply go to help, and here you have to simply report the problem. So here you have to simply click on report the problem, and here you have to explain the problem to Instagram team that what is the problem with you. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.